Kia ora and welcome to my first tutorial explaining divs, div containers in Dreamweaver. So here is the website that we're going to be creating, and hopefully it's going to look similar to this. Okay, so we go to Dreamweaver, we go File, New, we go HTML, we go Create, go to Code, let me just do a few returns under Body. Or content in body, and then we go up to here, it's insert div tag, and then we go container. So all our content's going to be inside here, and so we're going to constrain it. So this is, divs are like boxes, so this will be our main box. So we'll go OK. So we'll delete that text and we'll just make this quite big so everything's going to go inside. And then we go create another div, and we'll call this header. Okay, and then we're going to create another div. We want to call this one nav. This will be our, I'll call it nav bar, so it'll be a navigation bar. And then we'll call this one my body, div my body. And then under my body we're going to have footer. So create another div and we'll call this footer. Okay, so that should be all our divs. Alright, so first we're going to go to page properties up and modify, and we're going to do the background colour, just so we know what it looks like, so it's not white on white, it just gets too confusing. So just go OK. So what we need to do for body, we just, as you can see up here, this pink is all the CSS style sheets, is all, we're just going to have them all inclusive above our HTML, because it makes it easier while we're still learning. Okay, so we're going to select container, I'm going to go to text, CSS styles, I'm going to go new, and we want to tick advanced, and we're going to tick this document only first. We'll go into separate style sheets and attached style sheets in the next tutorial. So go OK, and the best thing about CSS and Dreamweaver is that it comes up with this rule definition box. Makes it a lot easier, you don't have to remember the CSS styles. So just go background, so what colour we want our container to be, we'll have a green colour. We'll go to box, and the width we're going to have 800, and height is auto, and that'll, oh that's right, it's not going to be it, because we're going to make the right and left margins auto, because this is going to place it center in our page. So now if we go to design, as you can see, this is auto, so it's not very wide or tall at the moment, but as you can see, that blue is the background and that's our container, nice in the center. So now we'll go to header, select header, go to text, CSS styles new, and take away that junk at the start. You don't need it, some people use it, but nah, don't have it if you don't need it. Alright, so we'll go to background, and we'll have a nice blue colour so we can differentiate from the two. We'll go box, and this is 780, and our height will be 30, and our padding will be 10 pixels, and our margin at bottom will be 10. We'll just go OK, and we're going to go to navbar, select navbar, go text, CSS styles new, and again we'll just get rid of the junk at the front, go OK, background, just another blue colour, and I'm just going to figure out what we're going to have it as. 790 wide, and height will have 20, and the padding will be 5. same for all, and the bottom we'll have at 10 pixels. Press OK. So let's go have a look, see what we got. Alright, there we go, we've got the header there, and we've got nav bar there. Go back to code. Now we're going to go put in my body. So go text, CSS styles, new, and take out the junk in the front. Go OK. Go to background, another blue colour, go to box. And the width we're going to have for my body is 750, height is 350, we're going to have the padding at 25, and we're not going to have margin. Just going to go OK. And then we're going to do our footer. So select footer, and we'll go text CSS styles new, take out the junk at the front, go OK, background, it's not blue colour, just whatever, the box, width 790, height, let's say 30 for now. We'll just go 5 for everything, and we'll go 10 pixels at the bottom. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Is it any good? Oh yeah, we'll fix up the footer in a moment. We'll go back to the code. And what we want to put in our text. So now, go to my body, we'll do the text box first, and we'll put another div, and we'll call this text box. Just go OK. There we go, and I'll just go grab some text for that. I already have some text I prepared earlier. I'm just going to paste that in there, nice and easy, piece of cake. Okay, so now I want to go to the styles on the left here with nice little handy box there with all the CSS styles. So we've got CSS styles new. We'll go text box, get rid of all this junk at the front. Go OK. Now we won't worry about colour, but we want to worry about what the size is that we're going to put a text in. We'll just go auto for height, 500 for width, and we want 5 padding for the text, and margin we'll just have 10 at the top, so it's not hugging the top. So we'll go OK, and we'll just go have a look at that in a moment. There we go, there's our text, but we want our text to align to the right. So now we'll just go to our text box, go to box, and we'll go float. So we'll float to the right. Okay, there we go, piece of cake. Now we'll go back to our code, and we want to put an image in front of our text. So just here between my body and text box, we go up here and there's an insert image icon. We've got light bulb, and we'll just put in our light bulb. I haven't saved my images or saved my documents, so don't worry about that. Hopefully you would have saved. And then go to design, and there you go, there's your image. And what we want to do is we want to have everything aligned right. There we go. You can do that properly, but I didn't do that properly, so you can align. If we go back there and explain what I just did, I just took it out and then so it aligned itself. But if you go into the divs, you'll be able to align that properly with the float. So you can make that a div for the image, so that aligns left. Make a div for the text, so that aligns right. Okay, so what we'll do is we will select our text, and we want to make it white because you can't really see it. Oh, I accidentally made it black. white. And what I want to do is separate the header. I want to make that bigger. So go down to format paragraph and go heading 1, so it's nice and big. Welcome to light bulbs. And we'll go to Microsoft Word. I'll just grab my header. We'll go back to Dreamweaver. So this is just content adding stuff. It's not that great. I'm making it very simple here. I'm not going to be changing any fonts or anything, but you can do that in your own time. Muck around with that. And I'm going to grab my content for my nav bar, and you can create that in links, and I'll be explaining them more in detail in my next tutorial, but for now we're just adding the content. So we'll just go to navbar, and just like put our content in there. I'm going to select that. There you go. So it's looking like a website, kind of. Okay, so as you see, something weird's happening there with the footer, but we won't worry about that at this stage. We're still adding content. Okay, so we'll go back to Dreamweaver and add in the content. We'll do it properly. Like I've been adding it in the design area, but it's really a good idea just to add it here in the code, just so everything is nice. You want everything looking nice, or else someone has to come back and look at your code and it looks crap. It's like a messy room. It really is. It's bad. So go to design, and there you go. We've got the header, we've got the nav bar, we've got the text box, we've got the image. This is my body, we've got the footer. So the last thing I'm going to do, last part of the tutorial, is I'm going to fix up this footer because it doesn't look right. So we'll just go to footer, go to box, and I know exactly what's happening is that I've got these going the wrong way. Go to apply, okay, and if we go to design, hopefully that would have fixed it. There you go, she's fixed. So that concludes our tutorial. Here we have the footer with the info. Actually, I might change that to white for you. So we've got our footer with our address in the bottom. We've got welcome to light bulbs with our blurb. We've got our image. We've got our my body. Green in the background is our container. We've got nav, and then we've got our header, and our background is blue. Thank you for putting up with me with this tutorial. Next tutorial we'll be talking about stuff more detail, CSS style sheets and how to attach them, and this is crucial. It makes life a lot easier when you want to adjust more things. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.